Good day and welcome to the HEXBUG Robotic Soccer Tournament. I'm Announcer 1 here with my co-host, Announcer 2. 2, how are you this evening?
I've never been better in my entire life, 1. Today, 2 robotic athletes go head-to-head in a magnificent game of football.
It's pronounced soccer.
That's what you think, mate.
Round 1.
The bots are off to a remarkable start.
Outstanding ability by the blue team.
Ha! Goal!
Incredible first kick.
Look at that magnetic attraction as Red scoops up the soccer ball. It's still football. Goal!
Amazing goal by Red. This round is neck and neck. Around the defense, tucking it home.
Goal! Blue wins the round.
Round 2.
Let's make this round interesting by cutting the field in half.
Well, maybe not actually cutting it in half.
The maneuverability of these athletic bots is absolutely breathtaking. This is history in the making.
Goal! Ah, penalty. Blue crosses midfield, giving Red a free kick.
Beautiful! The skill behind that kick was absolutely incredible.
Terrific technique by Red.
Oh, and Red wins round 2.
Round 3.
We're throwing in another ball for this round.
Watch that ball fly across the field.
Red took a brutal blow to the kicker. It may never play again.
Well, it's mechanical, so that's probably inaccurate.
Oh, a magical recovery by Red. Blue is not having it and goes in for a warp speed attack. Goal! What a masterpiece from Blue.
That brings us to round 4, where 2 athletes will now be added to the field.
What a pass! Absolutely brilliant dynamic.
Incredible 4-channel control.
Goal! That is how you move with conviction. Blue looking to end it.
Goal! And Blue wins the tournament.
Oh, we have just witnessed pure perfection from Blue. Check out our SoccerBot trick shot videos for more fun ways to play with robotic soccer.